Hello and welcome back to hardreset.info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your headphones not being detected on Redmi Pad 2 Pro. Let's begin! First of all, let's simply restart and double check our Bluetooth. You can do that by, you guessed it, just expanding a control center, and you can do that by swapping from the top to the bottom and then going into Bluetooth. And we can just turn the Bluetooth off for now. Now you want to just give it a couple of minutes, maybe a couple of seconds. I will just give it a couple of seconds and then you can enable it back. And congratulations, you have now restarted your Bluetooth module. Seriously, that's all. Now let's maybe unpair and repair back our device, which is this QCY Buds Pro that I have found. So let's go into more settings. And in the more settings, we can go into our device and then go into Unpair. And now our device, and by this I mean our tablet, will behave like it never really saw the headphones in its life anytime, forever, which is pretty cool, I think. Now what you want to do is you want to go into the pairing mode with your headphones, and because I have earbuds, this means that they are in the pairing mode almost always, which is pretty funny. But for the headphones, you want to put them in the pairing mode. Oh, let's actually enable this. So let's turn it on. Okay. And in terms of the actual headphones, you normally actually put them in the pairing mode by just pressing and holding the power button. And if you are not sure how to actually do that, don't worry, you can always type in the name of your headphones and then how to pair tutorial, because it's very typical, and we probably have such a video, such a tutorial recorded here on our channel, and you can always check it out. So yeah. But of course that is not enough, because maybe your headphones still aren't working properly. Well, there is always the last resort option of rebooting your device, and you can do that by pressing and holding the power button and the volume up button, like this, but not like this, like this, and then going down with reboot. I know that this may seem kind of silly, but whenever you reboot your device, you're not only rebooting the software but hardware as well, including, for example, the Bluetooth chip, which is, I believe, pretty cool. Now, what you want to do then is you probably want to check if it's actually your device that is at fault, because maybe it's the headphones. Now, how can we possibly test the headphones themselves? Well, actually it's somewhat easy. You probably want to borrow your friend's phone, or like family member's phone or something like that, and after you have done that, you can simply try to connect your headphones with their phone. If it's working, then it's actually your tablet that maybe have damaged Bluetooth chip or something like that. However, if it doesn't work, if your headphones aren't really connecting to your friend's phone either, this means that, well, your headphones might be at fault here, and they just may be not working properly, and you probably want to get them fixed. You can get them fixed by, for example, trying to get them into some sort of shop, and I would advise you to checking the warranty status, because if you don't really have it, then, well, yeah. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!